Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry I've been gone for about a week. I actually haven't been feeling well, and honestly, I'm not feeling well right now. But we have to power through. We are going to make it work. Today, we're checking out this little shit right here. It is the first BoxyCharm of the year, January 2019, and I have absolutely no idea what is in here. I have not opened this thing yet. I have no idea how much it weighs. I'm sure I could look on my app and see, but I honestly don't care. I did watch a few unboxings today, and it seemed like everyone had the same variation. So we're going to jump in here, and we're going to pray that we don't have the same variation everyone else does. So Boxy and Chill is what we're looking at today, and I have variation number 4. So let's get on in here. This is what it looks like. So we have the first thing we have here, and yeah, it looks like we have pretty much the same thing as everyone else had. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. It is the mermaidy looking one. That is also very neutral. I know these are great formula. I have another one from BoxyCharm right here. This is the Volume 2. We also got it from BoxyCharm. They actually look very similar. Well, I guess on camera they don't look very similar, but in person they're pretty similar. They're both nudes. Volume 2 has a lot more matte shades. Volume 3 has one single matte shade right here. Right here. It's just a kind of, and actually it's not even matte, it's kind of a satin. We'll go and swipe it on hand, and you can't even see it. It is my skin tone, y'all. But it could be good for like setting the base. And I'm just gonna, I know that these are good quality shadows. I do love this formula. So I'm not upset by it. I was hoping for the pink one. I think everyone was. But there's a couple swatches. Great palette, retails for $36. I know that because I almost bought this in December. And then I saw that it was coming on BoxyCharm, so I didn't. Okay, moving on. We got the Ofra liquid lipstick in Havana Nights. This is a like brick red color. I do like this formula. It's not my all-time favorite, but it's a pretty decent formula. It's very brick red. I like it. Not bad. I'm not going to complain about the lip color. I just got to force myself to wear it. I've been stuck in this nude kind of mauve-y situation lately. So thank you. The retail on that is $20. And I thought on Ofra's website though that they were $18, but I could be wrong. According to BoxyCharm, they're $20. The next thing we have is Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. This is a sample size, y'all. This is a travel sample size. You can get this at Sephora, like in a little checkout lane. So that's what that is. And they say this retails for $16, but I think at Sephora I have seen it closer to $10. But it is good. Briogeo is a very, 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 very good hair brand, and I love it. And with all the shit that I do to my hair, y'all, you know, I need good hair care products, and Briogeo is some of the best. The next thing we got is a Starlux eyeliner. Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil retails for $19, it says. I'm trying to take off this safe to seal. I think it says it's in black. Go figure. I get the Basic Bitch box. Version 4, also known as Basic Bitch. It's okay. $21 a month. You can't be too upset about it, right? And oh, except it's broken. Well, be upset about that. As y'all know, last month I got BoxyLux, which was great, that I finally was able to get it. However, I was missing 2 products. When they finally got back to me last week, they told me that, sorry, they're out of stock, so you just don't get your products. We'll give you a few charms in your little charm thing online. So it kind of sucks. So my BoxyLux was 7 products. The normal BoxyCharm is 5. BoxyLux is supposed to be 9, and I still had to pay $50 for it. I didn't get my whole box. It left a bad taste in my mouth, and I seriously contemplated canceling this box now. Knocking everything over my desk because it's a fucking disaster in here. Anyways, last thing in this box are the 2 Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. So we got 2 of those. These are expensive. I have seen these in Sephora. They're $12 a piece, so that is absolutely accurate. So anyways, yeah, it's great. That's exactly what it says, that they're $12 a piece or $24 for the 2 of them. So that is our BoxyCharm this month. I'm sorry I'm not able to do a full try on for you right now. I just got home from working about 12 hours today and I am exhausted. And I am taking new medication that just makes me so tired, so tired, and a little bit cranky. So I'm sorry if it came off a little bit bitchy this month. I do love my box. It is definitely worth the $21 that I spent on it this month. So anyways, go ahead and leave me any questions or comments down below. You know, anything you want to say, shoot it down below. I try my best to respond to all comments. Hit the like button if you liked me today, or if you got your BoxyCharms. I would be interested to know if anybody actually got the pink version of this. I really want to know. I'm really interested in that one. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I am out. I will see you next time.